What's up?
Just recording.
Oh, okay, cool. I don't. Yeah.
I think you should remove this. No?
You can't try sliding it that way? Wait. Oh no, I think it's meant to be.
Okay.
Nothing else is connected.
I don't think you're screen. Does it have like directions on how to take it apart?
No. It's not.
He has a manual.
Hold on. I didn't even. Recipes. There we go. There's a lot of recipes. There's no disassembly. I don't think they were planning. I don't think the plan when they sold this was to take it apart. Like, I think the plan was to push that forward and then casually just like do it. I don't know what. Oh yeah. Okay, that is called the. You can start. You can unscrew that stuff. What is that? It's called the heel rest. The heel rest. All right. Let's record that. So no, it's still it's not working. Okay, that's part of the motor. We got
2 parts.
accidents.
Here's the screw that goes with it. Is it the same screw as those other ones? But if they're different, we don't want to mix them.
Yeah, they're different.
Okay.
I can't.
Can I see it? We're recording it all the time.
You don't have to. These screws are impossible to get. There we go. That screw's just gonna stay in there. Okay.
Okay, so what
Screw.
components do we have?
Sure.
Oh yeah, put them each differently.
We have what is that?
Okay, you got beaters, dough hooks, heel rests with a plastic piece.
Okay, so let's find out what a beater is.
Here.
Do you mind if I look at that for a second?
We need to label this somehow.
Yeah.
To know, like, we're okay.
Okay.
Can we label everything?
Look at what?
The
Oh, yeah.
The assignment sheet.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so we need images at like each, we should get an image at like each stage of the tearing it down.
Yeah, it's recording, so just show it to the camera. It's fine. Kind of.
We're just gonna have a.
I didn't have like something to put it on.
really wish I could.
Made out of.
You can try. Or you can't ask. Go for it. I'm struggling hard.
Okay, so we need to find out what material is made out of. Was made. How it was made.
It's just weird because like something's blocking it.
Yeah.
There's like a bar down there that's blocking it.
Yeah. It really doesn't want to come apart. It's like try to twist it.
Probably glued or something. I don't know.
Good.
Have we been documenting?
Yeah.
I did bring my tripod and camera.
That'll be better than that one.
Put it up. Put it up.
Where did that screw go? There it is. Why are you food breaking?
Yeah, I
Is there
feel
a
like I'm just
problem?
gonna break it.
Yeah.
Is there a problem with
I
food
think
breaking?
so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Here's a phone.
This one is cool.
Oh, is that? Oh, you're a genius. How do you see that? That's impossible to access.
Do you think I have those tools from the course? It's like an out.
You need like a little miniature one.
Yeah. You wanna go with the tiny ones? Yeah. Thanks.
Like an inch long. Here, how much can you put with that? Nope.
Yeah, it's not moving. I can try to get something in there. It's too short. We need a bigger head than this. Needs a bigger head.
Yes. Bigger.
Yeah, a bigger one of those.
You wanna post that in the group meet? Yeah.
Can we try this? That'd be great.
Yes.
It's too big.
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah.
It needs to be like, somehow it needs to be like that big. Which is impossible, but. Okay. Can we like undo these?
There should be.
I have no idea how these. No, there's not. So I want to like take the black thing off.
Normally they come down.
Yeah, that's what I thought. There we go.
We should keep that camera going too, though.
Yeah.
The angles.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it'll work.
Slice the footage.
More footage for people to.
I gave some flyers too if you want.
Yeah.
You
That'd be
write a
nice.
blog about this.
There goes that. That was a sweet setup we had there.
Used to be. Yeah, I need. It works.
There's no
Oh,
flyers.
whoa.
Just needs to be able to hold on to it.
Tear down right now. Since I suddenly up in time. 228 people need to be able to explain how it works mechanically. 208 people need to explain how it works electrically.
Can I learn that at some point or just know it?
I know, like how.
I think it's sort of as like you gotta know like what switches and stuff do.
If they taught me.
Exactly what I was thinking.
You need to list all the components. That's what Mark's doing.
there's a series of questions that accompanies like each part too. So,
Okay, that's good.
good.
Where are the questions?
Like, well, what is it made
Also
of? How's
list
it
any
made?
primary and
Functions.
secondary.
Yeah, exactly. And I'm really
not
confused
bad.
on how.
Looks like that's like
Yeah, cool.
That working at all?
You heard it. Just balance it.
there's a paper in there you just sign.
Oh yeah.
Have we done that?
I don't think we have.
I haven't done that. I don't have a computer either.
Unless they,
Try to flip it over now, see if it comes out.
yep. Get off my office.
They don't have like a USB charger thing so that this doesn't die.
Yeah, you just play a Doom too. Screw, take the screw.
Okay.
This is like kind of.
Yeah, so we got switches being switchy.
You guys think switches?
That's pretty cool.
You
Never really like.
No,
Oh,
we
yeah.
have
Yeah.
not been
Switch
taking
words.
pictures of individual
Like,
parts.
two different things.
Yeah.
All right, handle
Yeah.
cover.
Yeah.
You still don't know what to do that bad.
Is there any other screws we can access? See in there?
What if you take, does this move at all? This side like doesn't move.
No, this side it's there's screws like connected to metal. So we can reach in there and get it in between the. Oh, well, it moves. It's too small. We need a
This is like a
bigger.
random
That's
brand.
too
I
small
cannot
too.
find any papers on internet about that.
I don't really know.
What do you
You know, a bigger one of these. Or,
A bigger Phillips one.
yeah, let's just turn in.
Or just turn the inside of it because it's not bad.
Yeah.
There's no way to take the plastic fan and split it off first.
Oh,
Not unless it pulls off. Which it might. You never
it comes
know.
up. It looks like it's connected to like whatever
It's
screw
connected
it's
to a
on.
rotator. It's spinning things in there. Part of the motor. So we got off. Why is there like French on it? That's interesting. You can look at it and try to. I don't. Our main issue has been
It's like on and off. Can you turn it on and off?
it's off that's like on.
Oh, so
There's a whole bunch of different speeds, isn't there?
Yeah, there's a ton of them. Off is to the black.
and this is it's power control probably.
Yeah, yeah.
No, like,
So the different
There's
power
a
wires
huge
are like different
toolbox.
powers. That's kind of cool. Don't force it.
How do you access the wiki? Go to the project.
stable either. Like,
Scroll down a little bit. Go to file project.
Look at it and try. It's impossible.
Scroll down. Click on AT&T right there. Then it's one of those. Go to, I think it's Campus Pack Wiki.
The other way.
my hand just turns.
Yeah. First, let's make sure I did take out the screw. Pretty sure I did.
Yeah, I think it is.
All four of them.
It's not really screw, is it?
I think so.
Just try to do it like this. I feel like the casing should like slide out.
It's angled the wrong way.
They're all so tiny.
There we go. Cool.
Yeah,
Yeah, I feel like it should like come out and like just slide up.
yeah,
but
but
nothing
Something's
slides.
blocking it
Nothing
or
slides.
something.
That's
just
just
rest this.
It's not that simple. nothing.
There's nothing two engines going on, two sets.
What's this button do?
Turbo.
Turbo.
Turbo mode.
This thing has turbo.
Yeah, I like your idea. 'Cause I feel like this silver should come off.
Yeah, I do.
The top silver came off.
Top silver came off, so the bottom silver should be.
Ah, it's just like
Maybe-
there's
maybe
just a
the-
little lip. It looks like. So.
Maybe the cord's gotta be able to come off
Okay.
first.
Yeah.
Start making the
What we don't want to do is like.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna make like an Excel spreadsheet and then just load that in there.
for the components.
Yeah. For the
Okay,
parts.
cool.
For the parts, let's genius. Good idea.
How was it? It was just like.
The main difference though is like that cord.
Mm-hmm.
It's the power cord we gotta somehow
Yeah.
deal with.
It was like on it. I don't remember.
Yeah, you're right. It's like that.
What'd you do? You just like popped it off?
Yeah, it just came off.
It's like connected to something else.
Well, we can try to remove the power cord then.
How would you take it out removing it?
It looks like it's connected to like a lot of rubber.
No, the power cord is going to be connected to something else inside of it. So.
But I mean, the real brush is on.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it.
See if I can find an exact on it.
Okay.
It looks like it's just so close to coming apart.
You know.
We can't. We can't move the handle piece yet, can we?
No, it's.
Drew, are you just gonna be like adding to the wiki and stuff like other?
Yeah, I was gonna. Do you want to just do the Excel thing on my computer right now?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, let's just
That'd be
get
great.
started on that.
Is there anything else to do?
Let me look.
I'll get the sheet here.
Okay, well, yeah, there's the sheet.
Where to complete assembly.
I'm afraid of
So that's like instructions of like how to put it together.
Start with the, start with how we took it apart and just write it backwards.
That's a good idea.
It's a really good idea.
So list the. So we need to list
Like-
these steps.
Undo the screws.
I don't have my computer.
Do you use a computer? I have mine.
Or I can use
Alright, so go to Excel.
This is not working at all.
Alright. So let's see.
Open Excel and then just get some column headers like component, what's it made of, how's it made, and functions.
Okay.
Just give me other thing but this.
Yeah, somehow this should come off, but it really just doesn't really come off. I feel like that's just what's holding it together.
I know.
It's this thing.
find an exact one.
You like fit it in? No, it's way too wide.
Right here.
Stick that in and I'll try to see this and see if I can pull anything.
Yeah, that's a situation where we would need to use goggles.
Start
Perhaps.
this like
Oh, still too thick.
you need like more of these little ones like sticking around it.
And if I just stick it in there, then we're gonna pull it.
What if I just stick something in here?
Wow. Cause it has all the things like down the side.
Look at. You guys have brought it down already. How we come in?
Do you guys have the right idea?
So maybe we can take this off first.
The side or
Yeah.
the handle? The,
The
side
hand-
doesn't move. I think the handles connect.
The handle's just like fused to the side somewhere.
Somewhere down here it is.
Oh, okay.
It's like around all this stuff.
Well, any other ideas?
Are we stuck?
Mm-hmm.
Try to off the label. There might be a screw hole underneath.
That's
Sure, you can feel one.
I'm not sure if there is or not.
What food that is.
Alright, there goes the warning label. Ineffective.
Is there anything online about how to take it apart?
So I was trying to find the one so.
Ooh, that's a good idea. Because then if you yeah, I found this in like every schematic or instruction manual I found. It just gives you like a bunch of recipes. It's like 2 pages about the mixer and then
I
just
know.
a
I
bunch of
tried to
recipes.
Google and
I
then
just
all
find
recipes.
recipes. It's always.
Look at all these recipes, guys.
This company makes like food,
Yeah.
baking soda, this kind of stuff.
Would you just take off
A spring
from where?
Right there. Should probably. Oh,
Show that.
we're
Show
recording
that.
it. Right there.
Now remember.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Try to take the turbo button. How did this go back on?
Right here.
Do you remember?
Yeah, it just goes up. There's like
It was
2
just
like
like
pegs.
push it in there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember that. So that's just one of the little things.
Yeah. Okay, here, this. I was gonna say if you can get the button in far enough and get the cord around it or something.
Just take the button off.
Oh yeah. I don't see that can
Wait, that's not the. That's not the.
So we took off the top, not the heel rest.
Can you choose something?
We're struggling to take off the heel rest.
That's right.
This is only.
Just push it in.
It
onto
goes
the
down
pad.
farther though, doesn't it?
It comes down. Oh, there's a little piece of metal
And
hooked
then
on
that
there.
has an inner plastic piece.
Oh, yeah, I got it. Now.
Metal's off.
Okay, so would you? How would you describe?
Like these.
Yeah.
How would you describe how we got the
Mm.
handicap off?
The what?
Just
Easily.
hold it off.
Pulled it
Off
off.
the
Yeah.
Easily.
It just pulled off. Yeah.
The beaters
Okay,
and
yeah,
the
you,
the
yeah,
hooks
are you
just
just
pulled off.
explaining
Yeah, no,
the
The beaters weren't.
Yeah, they weren't even auto.
Okay, good.
Okay. Now push it in.
What does that say? In,
Okay.
Someone is like, oh, I want to take apart
Right.
what does that say?
In cap.
In,
Right.
in cap.
That was
So that's a turbo button.
Cap.
Record it.
Turbo
Okay.
button.
Make sure you know how
Inner
things go.
plastic piece. Inner.
You want to label that?
Yeah.
None of this helps because you can't actually disconnect any of the cords. Just things like that, you just
Yeah.
they don't want us to take apart like this.
We unscrewed.
And these things are like fused to this. The end. That.
No,
They're on the other
how do we
side.
get
Hands.
this off?
You can try to.
Yeah, it just pulled off.
if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just pulled off. And
You
then
can't try to
this.
get it without, I
You,
guess.
yeah, you like can't turn it.
This is what the button?
Yeah, the turbo button.
Turbo button. All right.
Okay.
Classic turbo
Inner
button.
plastic handicap piece here. Delete
2 minutes.
like that.
Unfortunately.
Do you think, guys, do you guys think that we can meet up again?
We'll have to.
Can I see it?
honestly.
Let's think about it another day.
It has to be done by Tuesday.
I'm done.
I leave
Saturday.
Saturday and I'm not going to be back till like 10 or 11 Monday night.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be here on Saturday morning.
We can do it. I believe in us.
We'll have to do a brunt of the work
Grades.
tonight.
We have to.
Guys, it's all good.
Good.
We can do it.
It's pretty much all we have to do like tonight, take it apart. Like in here.
Yeah, we just
Yeah,
didn't
the
think it
rest
would
could
be this.
Let's
Yeah.
really try to do this. Just
Okay.
take the
Okay.
2 year.
Yeah, and honestly, if we don't get everything done too, we could also just get like whoever's there can come in as well.
Yeah, I'll
That'd be fine. Yeah, I'll be here all weekend, so.
I'll be here all
I would
weekend.
just not be.
It shouldn't be that hard,
Could,
should
who
it?
could meet up? Who could
If we break
meet
it, are
up
we
on
fucked?
Sunday or Monday?
I'm okay with that. I can be.
Sunday night.
Well, yeah, I mean we're gonna be a group all semester, so like
Half
there's
the
gonna be
semester.
Sundays where some of us are like
It's half.
Yeah.
half. Okay.
Same day.
But yeah, I mean there's gonna be
I want
times
us
where
to
some of
take
us are
it.
busy
Really?
and some of us are gonna have to take.
And then trying to get this one in too.
So
After it.
Do you guys want to come here on Saturday afternoon?
Saturday afternoon.
Do you prefer Sunday?
I could see you try to get in like right there.
Don't wanna do it Sunday?
Should you try?
I would. I would
Yeah.
prefer Sunday to Saturday.
If you
Not
can do it, I don't think I
Saturday.
could do
It's
it.
not
but-
Saturday. I don't.
On Saturday.
There's
That's
no.
fine.
There's gotta be an
Sunday
easy.
night
Maybe
before-
we're just missing something simple.
We could do Sunday after 8
Pull up maybe.
or before that.
I'm trying not.
It's just.
Yeah,
It
we
depends on
can.
if you guys are like chilling with being here late, you know.
We can just.
You can be here whenever. Like, it's,
Yeah, no.
That's what I mean, like, it's just open.
Now that we have access to space, I'm gonna be here like all the time. Just like making random stuff.
Yeah, I usually stay up for that.
So let's come here on
Can we
Sunday.
take off this handle?
We can also.
Or is
we
that
also
like
have
attached?
it's
Monday.
like attached, I think.
Yeah, don't risk it.
What
That's
about
why I did
Something's
really
attached
hard
down there.
quiz, 'cause I
What
was like
about,
Hearthstone before 2
Bad-
a.m. and 4
bad
is not
quiz.
what you should do.
That's what you should do.
I seriously, I blame
Looks like it
Hearthstone
pops
for my
out.
poor performance on the Go
It's
quiz.
a pretty bad quiz.
How was your performance?
It was
I missed
4
like 3.
questions.
It was
It was,
4?
it was 4 questions and
Okay.
I missed like 3 points, but all the questions were 2 points each. So
So you got like a 5 out of 8, which is like.
I don't think he does partial credit.
unless he doesn't do partial credit, in which case rip.
That's what I heard
He
someone
doesn't
say.
do partial credit?
I've heard mixed reviews.
Who's
Yeah.
your teacher? Who's the professor?
Jared
I don't know. Like,
something.
We'll see. We'll see. It could be anywhere between 3 points and 6 points.
Shit, well, in profession, guys, it's me reported.
You know my buddy that was at lunch today, took his first calc quiz and the other section of 126 got half a point out of 10.
Ooh, that's not good.
No, that's
He's gonna
really
struggle.
That's not
Yeah.
good, man.
No, that's not
Two
good.
talk 2.
That's not good.
And I missed one of the questions of profession. look at the question, like all the details that I made, and then he said, oh, the question, you should have used like 2 instead of 3, but once you do the right thing with 3, I'm gonna give you the whole point.
I don't really want to take Calc 2.
You need to, don't you?
Oh, of course. Yes, you
It's a
have to take,
lecture
like,
next semester.
it's what?
A big lecture next
Oh, sweet.
semester.
I'm excited. Lectures are good.
What's a big lecture?
Calc 2.
Calc 2.
It's because most people start off with Calc 1. So
Well,
most,
yeah.
the bulk of it is
I have
second
no
semester.
idea.
Calc.
Right now my class is like 40.
They're like beta testing
Yeah.
Math 126 on like the 3-year plan.
Yeah.
So we'll have Calc
I see that after you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
now.
Calc 3 is not even
Fresh
hard,
set of
apparently,
eyes.
so.
I haven't seen it yet. So
Most
maybe-
people say
maybe
Calc 2 is the
Miracle,
hardest
but I'll figure it
class
out.
they take freshman year.
Yeah, that's what I've. And Chem 152.
Yeah.
I've heard Chem 152.
They're trying to make fewer people
Yeah.
stay in engineering.
It's like the weed out class.
Yep, it is. Chem is. Chem 150 is.
But it's whatever. Just band together.
And
You
this
don't have
is
to
too
take
if we
150,
can't
do
take
you?
off.
I know,
This one will
seriously.
get us.
I don't think you
Okay.
have to take 150. Chem 150.
You can take 130.
I think you're gonna have to
I think
risk
so.
that.
You can. Chem 130 is
I don't think they like it though.
It's the same
I know it's
material as
the-
Chem 150.
It's just, it's like, it's general chem.
Chem 130 the whole year.
Yeah, so Chem 150 is just Chem 130.
Chem 150 is for
You're an
engineers, so
NSF.
it's sped up so they can take physics second semester.
Yeah. Physics blow.
Yeah. Next semester.
I'm excited for physics lab.
I'm done. I'm already done with chem. It's bad. Like,
Yeah.
not done, but like I'm
It's
chemistry
The first like 3 hours. So
in chem. Yeah. Same.
Oh, yeah.
I have like 115.
The online questions give you like 9 chances,
Yeah,
so
that's great.
It's great.
and they
It
tell
still
you how to
takes
do it.
forever.
I know it take. I did the first. I have to do the second part today.
Yeah, same here.
Later in the.
It's gonna take. It's only 15 questions.
That first one, was like 20 something
The second-
questions
Oh,
with
that
3
was
each.
ridiculous.
yeah, that was terrible.
It's like
But
23
luckily-
with 3 each. That's
Luckily, I
really
think
good.
this week will be like one of the harder weeks.
There's assignment 2 and like projects and mastery, right?
Yeah.
How long is
They're
the-
all the same
I did
questions.
the mastery
It doesn't take long. They're all the same. Like it repeats the questions.
for each mastery and because I
Yeah.
did the mastery one
It's pretty much the
yesterday.
same
It took me
Update
like
on
an
what's
hour.
happening. We can't figure out how to
So we're just
It
we're
won't
talking.
come apart.
We don't know what we're doing.
We're having conversations.
But we're gonna figure it out.
Cause look,
Is
when
there
you
any
pull
tool
the,
that could like screw those things?
Gotta stay
in
optimistic, guys.
We
There?
might
Screw
figure
those
it
things
out.
in there?
We can do it.
those are the
We can do it,
easier
guys.
things, so I don't know.
We should just commit to brute forcing.
How about we just brute force it?
You don't want to break it though. 'Cause
Yeah,
look,
if
when you
it
pull it
breaks, we
We
apart,
just have to like tape it all together and then.
We'll casually buy a new one and not tell them.
We put it back together.
because when you pull it, look here on the side,
What
this
happens?
thing is blocking the very bottom like of this,
Oh yeah,
so it won't go up
it's
at
all
all.
over. Stop you guys. You can't take that. I'll try it. You might be able to. I
Anyone
couldn't.
do a hand mixer?
I'm sure they have.
Yeah, no, dude, this is popular. If you can find someone who disassembled a hand mixer, they could give us like pro
Yeah.
tips.
They could do pro tips for us, but we
See
don't
what
really
I
have
could do.
time
I
anymore.
can take
to-
apart
Yes, there you
my
go.
car buffer. Oh wow.
Yeah, fitting it in, making things happen.
Oh, hold up, you blocked it. Oh, and camera's like, oh, messed up anyways.
The camera's like facing
Guys,
the
our
play.
documentation game is kind of weak right now. But it's all good.
You haven't accomplished much.
Where's the flat one? Can you get that in there and I'll try to put this in? And you can just slowly but surely like,
I think there's like a seal on it or something. Maybe like some glue or something.
it could be.
Oh, there we go. Okay, alright, that's full.
Yours is fully in?
Yeah, mine just like slips in when you do that.
Okay.
Don't force it though.
Maybe a little like get that. You can see there's a
Surgery
lip
in
on the
there.
inside. Can we like,
Alright, can you leave that in there?
Yeah.
Is that stuck
I
in
have
there
to
now?
hold it.
It's not making any
But I can
progress.
hold it. I can hold it.
Dang it.
Can you like fit a lip there?
You're screwed.
Yeah, I pretty much have to go like. really
Yeah,
soon.
alright, that's in
Watch
there.
your eyes.
Okay, we got something here.
Kind of. Not
Something.
really.
Please.
Hi. Friendship of that part. At the same time, you guys.
We good.
Dreaming.
Just wiggle things. Just wiggle things. Make it happen.
Make it happen.
Okay, cut.
Let's try not to.
If it doesn't happen, it's over.
Alright, hold on.
I'm about ready to give
We're not gonna be engineers,
just gonna
guys.
get enough.
Me, like move it
We'll,
to the
we'll
like,
off the
Do you
hill, we'll
think,
have to
yeah,
drop down
that's a good idea.
business or something, yeah.
45 uses.
Yeah, let me try and get this in.
The business is the place for the people who don't do well in the first year of Mackie.
Business is useful.
No, it is. I'm just like, no, like that, the major.
Yeah.
It's the place where the people who don't do well the first year of Mackie drop to. Or engineering as a whole. That's what I've heard anyway.
It's awesome.
Like,
Let's just start again from
Chem
up here.
150 weeds people out to business, is what I've
Really?
pretty much heard, yeah.
If you do that,
People just quit.
Well, if you get a bad
Oh
grade,
yeah,
then-
dude.
I was like,
Engineering has a pretty high rate of like dropouts.
Yeah.
But also, if you graduate, you get
Well,
a
I mean, what,
job.
how many people on our 228, 228? There's like
There's not
300?
enough seats.
There's like 300, right? Probably
Too
100.
many.
Probably half.
Is it loosening at all?
yeah, it looks like it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Not even close to that many will be like not even close. Probably not all of us will still be in
Push down,
engineering. That's just the fact. Like we not all. Some of us will move. Maybe none of us. Like, by the end,
If we break it, we're fucked.
there's a lot of people who try to be engineers freshman year and then it just doesn't work out. Some way or the other.
We're gonna
Okay.
do this.
Has anyone tried like looking up a manual?
Don't use it.
Yeah, let's.
More
I'm gonna look
detailed
up a manual
schematic?
on my laptop, just like disassembling this.
What?
Is it still on?
Something just happened.
Yeah.
That was
Let's
just
see,
a
let's
random
see.
noise.
What exactly?
I just like how we have like there's 20 minutes of nothing happening.
I know.
What is keeping it in?
Rejected core.
Look at the physics. We're doing work on board.
That's a good idea.
Let's try some.
What are you trying to do?
Keep pulling this.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
you can't actually pull that out. It's connected.
yeah, but if you can get under there, maybe you can do something.
That's true.
That's true, dude. We can mod the casing too. Like the casing is not very
Yeah,
important.
what's
It's-
what are we planning on changing to make it better? What's the plan?
It already has
I have
7
no idea.
speeds.
It's just
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying
For a
is
new product.
I feel like the engineers from Buddy Crocker already like tried to
I
make it
know.
Perfect.
as perfect as it is.
It has like 7 speeds. One of them's turbo.
Dude, well, how can
yeah, it has a turbo button. Like
well, like today in lecture got me thinking.
It's a good product at all.
To improve the product, you don't necessarily have to like
Yeah.
improve its functionality. You just have to like remove hazards. So like,
Imagine someone
whatever
else
hazard of
that
it could be, we
doesn't
can
stay
just like
here.
figure out a way to get rid of it.
That's a good point.
flying.
Yeah, let me
That
see.
could be-
It
or
looks
like-
like you might be able to
we
get
can
it.
figure out-
okay, we can figure
You go like
Move
un-
the
under,
beaters.
no,
So
like
I was
in
talking
here.
about like for the hot dog.
Here?
I was
No,
like, I
yeah,
wanted the
here.
hot dog thing because the way that you
Yeah,
would
it's
improve
in-
it is like make like a ketchup dispenser
It's
for it
trying
too.
to
So
get
you
it.
like
Yeah,
you don't actually change the product. You just
Yeah.
add a ketchup.
Yeah.
My roommate
Yeah.
he's doing a senior project this year, but he started off aerospace
Oh, sick.
his freshman year, but he changed to Mackie like 2 years ago. So he took this class last year as a junior. He did the hot dog one. All they did was make like a plexiglass container around it, just so it didn't splatter all over you.
That's sweet though. It's simple.
Yeah,
Simple
yeah.
solutions are the best.
They are. They really are. Is it like the rubber
You
cleaner?
want it?
Yeah.
What did you do after?
It's just a rubber.
Yeah.
I feel like I missed like most of the disassemble.
It's just because we've been stuck on this for like 20 minutes.
Well, you showed up when we were on this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Most of the disassembling is kind of an overstatement. We haven't really disassembled it. I took out 4 screws. That's
Yeah.
pretty much it.
I
Things
feel
fell
so
off.
stupid for doing this.
What?
I feel so stupid for not getting this.
Yeah, it makes
What?
sense.
I know, right?
What is it?
Yeah.
There was screws.
It looks like it's yeah, it's connected to things on the inside. Does it even work anymore? Let's plug it in.
See what happens if I go over
It was
there.
like the other side of the handle. This
Those
one
are
screwed
tiny.
here.
Open
And
away.
there's some other screws. I don't remember where.
So we're in.
But I can't tell right now.
Why you can always solder them.
Maybe like it's glued
true.
here,
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
and then the
Why is
only
it-
way would be break
Sorry, I don't want to cut your fingers.
Alright, I got a head scissors.
Yeah. We'll have to.
If you have to leave too, we can keep whoever can stay can just try.
I should probably do
I'm supposed to be back at my dorm at 7.
I can stay here till it's done.
I will see you guys later.
Kim, good luck.
Yeah.
What's the... Can I see this paper?
Yeah.
He sent it in the group meet.
Oh, okay, I just want
That's not a group meet if you want to
Okay.
You have to get it apart.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. What have we got here?
Progress made.
We got something.
I heard a pop.
Oh, is that
no.
a snap though?
No,
no.
yeah, it's a good sign. Look at here.
I don't know, dude. That sounded like a breaking.
Yeah.
But
Point.
can you see there?
Yeah, I see it.
So let's just try to move it.
Ever get this thing?
You don't
I
you
should
don't
say,
say,
grab
yeah.
a hold of it.
Find a more efficient way to
I don't
disassemble.
know how to like. There you go.
Get in on the action.
Zoom. Okay.
All right, so this is this. I think that's good for now. It's gonna.
We like...
Unpopped one of the. Or we just cracked something in there.
Where's the exact today? All right, let's just leave this part. This part seems like it's off now. Let's try and get this.
What
part
about
off.
doing the same here? Because
Yeah. I think if we get off one side though, it'd be easier. So let's do this part.
See you guys.
Right.
Yeah.
So we're literally just slicing this thing open.
keep your face a little bit far from the place because it can break and parts can fly everywhere.
I feel like I'm gonna break this knife. Alright, here. Just wait a second.
Hey,
Let's see if I can.
how much?
Alright. Now that's in there. Let's move down here. Move to the middle.
Whoa. That's a really true situation.
Alright, just pull it out.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, let's try to get the middle now.
Okay. Pull it. This.
Pull this.
Yeah.
It's almost there. Oh. Just keep going.
We got something.
Wait, be
No.
careful though.
It's
Put
impressive.
something in it or something so it doesn't
It's already
pop
so
back
damaged.
forward.
Well, at least you did not break it, but
We haven't broken it.
This, wait,
Yes.
don't push down yet.
Literally.
Make sure you get something in it first.
Good call. Alright, so. This is step 5. Step 5. Beat the hell out of it. Forcibly. I'm gonna write that.
With great force. No, but that's just, they're just gonna have to reassemble it, so it won't be that bad.
I'd like to see them take this thing apart.
Put this thing back in there and try again.
I think we have to go all the way around it. I don't know.
Yeah.
I can see like the limit
Seems
of
like
this.
it,
So
yeah.
put that
See,
back
like-
in. I'm not left-handed.
Like halfway there.
Yeah, a little bit. Hold on.
So, forcibly use several lettering.
I think we just have to force this out. Alright, let's go from over here.
Do the same with this side.
yeah. Try and hold it in.
Okay, but it's gonna be as easy as the other one.
If the end cap is the
Because of this side.
Yeah,
it's alright on
it's
the
a little out,
heel
yeah.
rest. Plastic heel rest.
Just wait. Work it. Like, go this way because you already have that popped there, and just keep working your way around.
Oh. That's alright. It's alright. It's still pretty loose though.
Yeah,
That's at the top, so
Just
it just like helps us casing.
yeah, protects
Okay, so this
protects wiring and such.
Protects wiring.
On the inside, protects the
Hand
interior.
holding it does the same probably.
Yeah, it does the same thing. It also allows for the user to comfortably hold the
Why did we choose this one?
I'm gonna lose the image of Same. Let's do the same thing. Watch your eyes.
Alright, maybe we can get it from over here. I can get it in there. Can you get it? There. It's in there.
You probably get it enough again to get this thing in.
The handle's about to break.
Is there? Wait, what?
Let's try to. This part looks like it's glue. This one.
Are you okay? Oh, okay.
Okay, now we have to take here. Let's see.
Can you see in there? I can't hold it on. It doesn't look like it's attached on. Alright, let's see if I can zoom this all the way around.
It's attached
The
to this
handle.
part. Look at it. There's some marks here.
What do you mean? Like there's
Look at
something
this
blocking
little-
it?
Like a small white part in here that
Oh, yeah.
that would fit on this part. Which side do you think it would be easier? This side or this side to remove? Did we? Let's try remove more this side.
Okay.
It's easier. We don't have this hand on too. Disturb us. Well, it's almost there with this.
They have a 3D printer here?
I think they do.
Why don't you just 3D print another one of those?
Seriously. Mine is like,
I mean, it could be considered an improvement.
I mean, someone has done this before. Like,
Dude, this is what we
No,
could
but some
improve.
products they made like the way if it breaks, there's no way to fix it, and then you
Really?
have to buy another one. Yeah. That's the way some products are made.
Let's see if we get this in there first.
And I know because I have worked with some meters, and like every time when it.
Alright,
okay,
alright,
I'm
wait,
gonna
wait.
keep doing this.
Yeah, keep going. I'll keep pulling. See how it works now though, there's like small little holes that they go into. Finally.
wow. Yeah. I almost don't even believe
Here,
it.
wait.
I don't even believe what I'm seeing right now.
Describe this part.
We did it. We did it.
Death cap.
Okay, so it's just got those lips.
Yeah, we're good too, it's not broken.
Whoa.
We did it, guys.
How? Why? Why would they do?
So you can open
We
it up.
did it.
Alright, well
Yeah,
now we
let me
gotta.
see this.
Hold up, yo. Yeah, we need to be able to explain it electrically.
Alright, now we actually do
Just
need to
that
start
read.
There's
by
a
the way.
lot of
Read by the way to
wires
assemble this.
that spin.
Hold up, I'm gonna take a picture of this real quick. It's
Yeah,
like,
this is
We
where
can-
we
it
really
looks
start,
like-
need to start recording.
You can take the whole middle part out, and it'll still be together.
hey, true, because that'll just take the casing off. You know?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, good call.
Does this go back and forth? I think it does.
I think it's looks. It's with this.
Oh, so it
The
spins.
whole thing spins.
The whole thing spins.
This is true. This is just like a fan, though, right? Or what does this do?
That's probably the
Yeah,
thing to
this is a
cool it.
Fan, cooling fan? Yeah, that's what I
Yeah.
figured. And then
Because
the
this
beaters.
thing's the thing that spins.
The beaters are there. Okay. Cool. Anybody know what kind of motor it is?
150501.
150501.
Is-
DC
I don't know
or
if that, that's what the number says.
I would guess it. I'm guessing DC
What? What did it say?
for the motor. Well, it's DC if it's
150501.
magnetic. If it's magnetic, it's DC.
It looks
So
magnetic. I don't know.
Magnetic verse.
if it's
What's the
got,
other
like-
option?
Okay.
I think it's magnetic because I mean,
Is there an electronic circuit on that?
well, I'm trying to remember how DC motors work. They have. I know that they have magnets in them.
you wanna just do it really quick?
Yeah.
Hey Nick, I'm not going back to Naismith Hall. Okay, I'm gonna leave. Learn how in like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then I'll go to the Kansas Union. I'm at Learn how. Yeah, I'm in a meeting with my group. Okay. I see. Okay, I see you guys there. Okay. Bye bye. Adios.
Alright.
Yo, it's electric. It's 100% electric.
Wait, is it 100% electric?
It's just a. I'm sure that it's an electric motor. Like
Yeah,
after
that looks like it.
yeah, this is definitely an electric motor. So how does an electric motor?
So the last one.
I think so.
What are
Do we
these?
still have that spring that got taken off?
Just gonna say DC motor.
Yeah, where's the spring?
Yeah, I put it in
It's
here.
right there.
I put it in here.
What do we even call this thing?
And we have a new
They
spring.
call in the
there's
instruction
one more,
manual.
hold
They
on.
call it the what do they call it? The heel rest.
Heel rest?
Oh shit.
Okay, well, it's all connected anyway.
Heel rest.
Heel rest.
My question is just like, how are we supposed to gonna find the...
But are you gonna
like,
tear
how
down
it
the
was
motor
made?
also?
How it was
I
made.
don't
I
think
think
we should do it.
Or
Should
what?
we?
I have no idea.
Not
How
all.
it was made.
They said, I think we have to keep
Ah.
doing it until it's just like, I don't know, each separate parts. So I think maybe we do have to take off this part and this part.
Basically,
We just,
yeah.
we have to keep going until it's
We
the
have to-
absolute bare minimum. Unless there's like a circuit board. I mean, we can't
Okay.
reconstruct a circuit board.
This got in here somehow.
I think,
just
I
can't
think the
s-
handle
we
like
just can't
Yeah,
separate
this
this
unplugs.
pops
part.
out.
Yeah.
We
Why are
just
we
can't
keep
separate
inventing
this.
things
Hmm?
coming
We
out?
can't separate this.
Why not?
It's gonna be kind of complicated to put it in the same place again. This.
Yeah,
The heel rest came off.
We can't.
And then what would you call this whole thing? Like,
I would.
We can take off this part though.
Yeah.
Motor
this
case,
part,
no,
I
no.
think it's fine.
Motor.
Yeah. I don't.
Motor assembly. That would be a good
Yeah.
one.
motor assembly? Okay.
Maybe not.
I don't know how to get the handle off.
What, are you documenting it, Patrick?
I'm doing these steps.
Yeah.
Okay, you're doing the steps.
So we do these. You got the turbo button here.
Oh, I guess the hand doesn't come on.
Stuff can you do with that?
Yeah, but
Looks
it's
like
fine.
it-
We can just cut it out.
Yeah.
Hey Patrick, at some point we took off the turbo button.
You wanna cut it then?
At some point.
That was while we were trying to get this off.
So that was like probably...
Probably it's soldered.
Inadvertently.
It's also
Where's
soldered
the-
over here. I don't know which one you think would be easier.
Just
We could probably easily solder that one up. Solder that back on if you
Hey,
just.
look at these. That's fine.
Okay.
I should leave now.
Yeah, I need to head back.
Yeah, I need to head
I'm
back
gonna
soon
be back at
too.
7.
Are you guys gonna
Just get
keep
turbo
doing
button
that,
there.
or let's
mean,
meet another day?
We can. I'm
Yeah.
available until 8 because at 8 I have to go to honor student council meeting and then I can come back and keep working after that.
Are we supposed to unassemble this part?
Are you gonna go to that, like the group, the honors student group info?
I'm gonna stop
Um,
recording.
It's not
Okay?
on like right now.